Alright, we're back.
It's getting crazy.
We're better.
Oh my god, last episode my keyboard would not work. Finally got work.
And now we just found demons. I hope that these are demons, because then I can actually use the cross. Die!
Oh.
Yeah, I set it on fire!
Oh!
Back!
Uh-oh.
Oh, don't let me go in the water. Don't let me go in the water. Oh my god, I just did a back kick on you.
Yeah, I didn't get any damage though.
Come on, die. Come on, hurry up.
Is it the flashlight? It's the flashlight.
Oh, it's scared of the flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay, skin it. Or I need to at least.
Yeah, you can. I don't have too much.
Give me like 2 creepy armor. Alright, let me put that on. There's another one. There was 2. I just don't know where the second one is.
Oh my god, I think we could have killed all. Well, no, not all of them. Never mind.
No, it only works on the demons. Yeah, back up, little boy. Back up. Just keep pointing your cross at it and just keep looking at it, and it will stay still. Oh, no, it hurt me, but I can kill it. Okay, there's another one. Die! Banish you!
Go back.
Banish you!
Uh-oh. Oh, no! He ran away. Oh, that hurt.
Banish!
It's definitely the, what is it? The flashlight.
This is definitely a lot easier than...
Can we skin this one together? Alright.
This one first, over here.
Wait, alright. In 3, wait.
I found it.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go.
This is not gonna be easy. Oh, there's another one. There's another demon. Oh, it's still alive!
Oh, now it died.
Okay, now it's
Alright.
dead, but there's another one. Just hurry up and skin this one. Or no, don't even. Just back up, little boy. Yeah. Let the power of Christ compel you. Let the power of Christ compel you. When it's on the ground, hack. I use the cross. You use the axe. When it goes in the ground, start to hack it.
Oh wait, you're supposed to press left click.
No. What the hell is this?
No, press left click using the cross.
No, yeah. Oh, yes. You don't just hold it out.
Oh, that's.
Alright, let's skin this one.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, this is my last one, so.
Okay, is there anything down this way? No. The only way we can go is this way. Look, there's an
Yeah,
astronaut, dude. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna skin this one.
What? That's weird. I'll cover you.
I'm gonna eat something and then put this creepy armor on. I'll have more stamina than Cheerios.
There's a lot more down here.
Now, creepy armor. Alright, we're good. Ready? I wanna pick up that astronaut dude's clothes.
I know, that would be cool.
Fire. That's a gate.
More astronauts.
I need you to take... Here, hit him with the axe. Hit this one with the axe on the floor. You have to take your axe out. I can do the cross.
Alright, wait.
So when they go backwards, just keep hitting them with the axe.
Wait, I need to equip it.
Oh, die. 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 Yeah. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep skinning them. Because I still need them.
I need some food.
I'm nearing the end. Let's skin this one too. Where's he at? Come on. Unless since you're the religious one, unless you want to do the cross and I'll do the axe.
Alright, yeah.
You know how to use it?
Yeah, it's left click.
Yeah, don't stop hitting it. Like, don't even wait for the fire to get off to do it again. Just keep doing it.
Hitting it? Alright, yeah.
There's a rope here, don't go up it yet, though. Oh, shit, where did he come from, bro? See, once he falls back, keep hitting it.
I am. I think it's the flashlight. I don't know.
No, it's the cross that sets them on fire, not the flashlight.
Oh.
Idiot. Why would the flashlight set them on fire? Keep hitting it.
I don't know.
It's done now anyway. cross killed it. Okay.
And the cross is the best
How
weapon
about
in the
we
game.
both just use crosses? It's so much easier.
Yeah.
There's no point. Okay, don't go up the rope yet, because I see
Yeah.
something over there. This dude's praying to this dude. Oh! I've seen this guy! I took his armor. I'm in golden armor.
Golden armor.
Wait.
Uh
Can I put it
oh.
on? Where?
Wetsuit. Tactical. Check.
How do I look? How do I
Golden
look?
armor.
Put
Where?
it on. Oh my god,
Wait.
it looks so cool.
Wait.
I need to take the scuba diving thing off, because I look
Yeah,
stupid now.
same.
Oh my god, look. There's so much creepy armor though. It gets rid of it all.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was a waste. But I have golden armor though.
Okay, wait, no, this is back over there. This is back over there. There's no point. All right, so
Wait.
let's go with the rope now.
Wait, I want to see how you look, Stan. Oh, how do I look?
You look the same exact way as me, but it's cool.
All right.
No, because I saw this in one of the paintings in the guy's room, in Mr. Puffkin's room.
Oh, this. Oh, that's all a creepy armor. Bye, creepy armor.
Yeah, we don't need any more creepy. Okay, the rope's up here. All right, here we go.
Oh, you're going up the rope.
Yeah. It's a very far climb. And there's a demon crawling in the wall.
It would be cool if like a demon just starts going up the rope and we have to go really fast.
You could go really fast with the rope. Like
Yeah.
the last game, but it's not that great. It doesn't make you go like super fast. Like the last game, you like really sped up. All right, there's another rope. Oh my god. I don't. Are we getting out of the cave right now?
I think we are.
Like, did we just come in here to get the armor and did?
I guess.
Yeah.
There's another cave. I know where it is, I think.
I have a feeling that this armor is pretty strong, so... No, and then we're gonna go to the green dot, the keycard cave. I know what you're talking about.
If my golden armor breaks, I always have creepy armor, so...
Yeah, it made me... No, it made us drop all of the creepy armor.
No, the ones we were wearing.
Oh,
I think. Let me look
I
up.
hope so.
Let me open it when we get out of this cave, I think. We all getting out? I don't know.
No, we're not.
There's more?
Maybe there's more.
Is there another rope?
Yeah, there's another rope. Now we should be. I have a feeling that this is... I mean, we've went up 4 ropes. Oh, no, I hear something. So I don't think we're getting out yet. I hear another demon. Okay. Let's keep it moving forward. Oh, it's a 2-head. Crosses don't work on 2 heads, just run. Just run right past them. There's no point in trying to... Alright, we're diving.
Bro, this is scary. Kinda dark.
I know, it's pitch black in this game.
Alright, I'm about to get I have 50 PSI.
Yeah, I just like that. Away from 50. I'm taking that back off. I'm gonna be cool. Are you still in the water? Oh no, you're right there. Golden armor. My keys are like sweaty. They're not even sweaty, they're like sticky. These are regular mutants. You want to just kill them? No, we don't need creepy armor. There's no point. This one's blue.
Uh-oh, just get on.
Just go up the rope. Oh, on the rope!
Ow, ow, he hurt
I
it.
couldn't get on the rope. I'm not on the rope. Get on the rope. Oh my god. Wait, it just killed me. Did I not just have golden armor on? Or wait, can you get
No,
me
it
done?
doesn't affect your golden armor. There's so many. Can't you just respawn?
No, I don't want to respawn. Just,
Fine.
takes like 5 seconds to respawn.
Oh, I'm about to die.
Okay, then you know what? Just go up the rope.
All right.
We'll just respawn.
I died. Oh my god.
We shouldn't respawn far.
I swear, if we lose our golden armor because of you.
Cut out of this. We're not gonna lose the golden armor. I can literally see it all. You're by the 2-head, I think.
Oh, come on, get out. Get out of that weird sticky thing.
A baby just
Was
hit
it
you.
a baby? Right, yeah.
Okay, I cannot see a thing, but...
Oh my god, I'm gonna die again. Oh, this baby. It's...
How would that's so stupid. Maybe the golden armor only works on humans?
I don't know, yeah. But it's golden armor, why is it not? I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid. It's sparkly in the water.
Come on.
Okay, here I'm just gonna take meds and I'm booking it.
Yeah.
I'm on land. With my meds.
My
My
meds.
shotgun, please work. Like, I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Alright, let me put creepy armor on, just because I don't think the golden armor is going to work right now. So, I'll just put that on. Alright, yeah, I have full creepy armor right now.
Are they guarding the rope?
I hope not. Put creepy armor on.
No, they're not.
Or just get on the rope, climb up.
Oh, and it's glitching out. Oh.
Get up here. I'm going up.
I can't wait to get out of this stupid cave.
I like this cave. I hope there's something like really good. My flashlight's almost
Golden
40 out of
armor.
batteries. I mean, yeah, we got golden armor and we got oh, the hell? There's a cave right there, but I don't think we can get to it.
Oh, whoa, we slide down again.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait for you when we get down. Right into water. Oh shit, you went flying down.
Yeah, I don't know if it's safer to put the golden armor on right now, or if it's safer to put the, it's safer to put creepy armor on, because there's a few of them. I killed it in one hit. He's one shot. He's one shot. I killed them both. Oh, he's nice. Yeah, they're both dead. I'm not skinning them though. I have
Yeah.
I don't need to.
I have 10 anyway, so.
Oh, 10 is full.
Yeah, so I have it, yeah.
Okay, we are at another thing right here.
How big is this cave? I'm starting to
big.
get worried. I
Okay, which way you want to go? This way is nowhere, so I guess there's really only one way to go. It's this way.
know. It's fun. Wait, were we here before?
Yeah, this is probably the exit.
It looks a little bit different. God damn, that screaming's scary. Like it echoes. Oh, we haven't been here before.
Alright. I think we're getting out of this cave. Okay, there's two ways. There's this way with all the gold, and there's this. No, that way had nothing. We have been here before. That way had nothing. This way. there's water.
Actually, this is kind of fun.
I know, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
I hear waterfall.
Yeah, same. I don't remember there being a waterfall.
They're probably just right outside of the mountain.
There was a. We definitely been here before.
Oh, this is where we just. Oh, that's just a circle. Okay, okay. So just go back this way. Okay.
Uh-oh.
I said a really loud rumble.
I heard that. It was like boom.
Alright, so I guess we're diving again.
Whoa. Do we go underwater?
Yeah, go.
Alright. How do you put more air in your oxygen?
I think it'll automatically just go for you.
Oh.
Like how for the flashlight when you use it and it dies and you kinda it just refills it for you automatically. Oh yeah, we have it before, remember? Oh no. So it's not 3 skeletons.
No, I don't. I remember skeletons, but I don't. What is that?
Bats. I hear them.
Oh wait.
Binoculars. Oh, I got night vision goggles.
It's night vision. Oh, I'm putting that on.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Take this flashlight away
it?
from me.
Where is it near?
It's probably in the it's probably in one of like the tactical cases.
No, it's not actually.
Probably in the clothing section. Clothing section.
Where the fudgely Oh, it's near your phone.
Oh, I see him.
Oh my.
Okay, this is
It's very. Oh, you need batteries for it, but.
whatever. Alright, we're leaving
I might
the
take.
cave. We're gonna have to take him off now anyway.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be day, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, take him off. Take him off. Standing outside with them on.
Yeah. Blinds
Really
you.
bad. Okay. Oh, what a run! All right, we need to make a save. We need
Yeah.
to make a save. I'll make a tent real quick. Come on, make it a tent.
I still want to play.
I know. I'm still gonna play.
Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna save. Really save. What tells me to kill it?
Save. Do you just want to sleep? I need to sleep pretty bad.
Yeah, we could sleep, I guess. Let me
Alright.
save first. And then now we'll sleep. Okay, I went to sleep.
Oh wow, it's nice out.
Alright, let me eat something. Get some morning cereal. And then I'm not even gonna waste my sodas. I'm gonna all this right now. Put in my gold. What was that?
What was that?
I think it was thunder. It's thunder.
That was scary.
It was so loud. Like,
I know.
Yeah, I got the gold armor on. Alright, let me drink. I'm taking the rebreather off because, and I'm actually really pissed. So. Water. What is nothing else here? Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright, can we go to that
Alright,
green
Rebecca.
dot?
Yes, actually, you should. You will get nice, cool things. I'm pretty sure that there's something in there that has a lot to do with the shotgun.
Alright, I'm gonna go. We're like literally right near it.
I know, it's away from me.
Alright, I'm near the
I don't know
river.
why. I'm gonna see if my shotgun works now that we're out of the thing. It doesn't work. But I'm not out of ammo, that's the thing.
Oh yes, oh I have to reload.
I'm not out
Press
of ammo.
R.
I know I did. It's not reloading. I know I did not get the shotgun connection. Oh shit!
What?
Three cannibals jumped out at me. We're hiding in the bushes. Let's make sure. Yeah, this is the right path. Right by the lake. Yeah, dude, if you look on the mini-map, like on the end thing on your phone, you see how far the two exits and the entrance are.
Yeah.
So that's a big ass.
Wait, what? That was the entrance and that was the... Oh my god.
I see some stuff over here. One second. I want to go like that.
Wait, that's a plane.
What?
Right there, that's a plane.
So try to shoot your shotgun, not at me. Just shoot it. Does it work?
I want to do it when there's like a cannibal animal.
No, just I just need it to see, because mine won't work. There's a deer. Shoot it. Oh no, that works. That fucking thing's gonna work. There's money in it. There's also something down here. There's a Hollow Springs. Oh! Remember that? Oh, that's what it was! So remember when we got the shovel, right?
Uh-huh.
Like, and we saw all those little things? Like, all those compartments? Yeah. So, and then remember when we went to the food cave? Where we got like a lot of the key cards, and we saw, and we were in that hotel. So what we were looking at when we saw the shovel is the hotel. We were looking at the hotel from where the shovel was. That's cool. I don't think there's really anything important here though.
So let's go all the way up here. What the fuck?
What?
Some monkey just yelled right in my ear. That was so weird.
Actually, no, we didn't need to kill it.
Yeah. Oh, I see where we.
Yeah. All right, wait for me.
It's that red guy. It's that red guy.
Oh, I don't have a shotgun, so I can't kill him.
Oh, he's running away.
This is death. Shoot him.
Oh shit.
Oh, he screamed and he just murked him. I chopped his head off.
Bro.
Guess we're digging up. I'm gonna assume that this.
Oh my god, look at his throne.
Thing.
He has a throne. That's weird.
I've sat on one of those thrones before.
Max, I
one
got
time
to
I
work
got a
in. Days never ending.
That's something? Or am I tripping? Where's that rock? No, that's something. I see a yellow dot. Okay.
Oh wait, hold up.
I see it. Oh shit! Wait, are you down? Or are you in your inventory?
No.
Shoot him! Yeah. You take him, I'll keep digging.
He's down. I killed him. That was one shot. Bro, Ivan, it's so scary. I go, was it, to like, do something in my inventory. I look up, I just see a monster,
okay,
that guy right behind you.
I'm taking the golden armor off. It doesn't do anything. I'm already at like low health. Cause it just looks really cool. You know what? I'm actually not taking it off because it looks so cool. But if we're about to go into a bunker, then we should probably. Okay, is this open yet? Do we have to do any more digging? Can I just go in?
Oh, yeah. Look, I opened it.
We're doing it at the same time. It looks so weird. Oh, it's maintenance B. I have maintenance key cards, so that's good. We did it. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This looks so fun.
I swear if I glitch again.
I didn't
I'm
glitch.
good.
Wait, I'm just gonna equip my shotgun.
I'm gonna see if mine
Alright.
works. It's not fucking working, dude. I'm popping meds. Like, I don't understand. How does the shotgun not work? Guess I have to use the axe.
Ew, what is this? Oh, it's water. It looked brown. Like, it looked weird. Oh, we can drink it, apparently.
I wouldn't. I've been into these dunkers before.
Oh, I was like, where do we go? Oh, look, it's a nice river. Oh, 3D printer!
Yeah, you can print the sled. Alright, I got another maintenance bunker. It's a key card. There is a key card here. Ooh, I got a silencer.
What did I just make? Oh, silencer. It's probably for the
shotgun.
pistol. Oh. No, it's for the pistol.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we can, like, kill them silently.
I'm sure it's for the pistol.
I just got some
It is.
bows.
I don't even have pistol ammo. Oh, actually, I do have pistol ammo. That better let me shoot. Oh,
Wait, hold up.
I'm saving right here because there's a bed here that we can save it.
I'm making some 3D printed stuff, so wait for me. Here, while it's doing it, I'm gonna...
I got a bow. Oh my god, I got a bow. Good.
Oh, this game is getting fun now. Oh, you got a bow and arrow? That's good. I literally just... Oh, I'm making a flask.
Oh my god, I have so many arrows too. No, but I want my shotgun. I don't even care about the bow, bro. I'm not gonna. I mean, maybe next time, like if I leave the game, and maybe next time I try to play the game, it'll work. Like maybe it's just a bug for right now, so I'm just not gonna do that. But that's so annoying. Like, it's such a good gun. I don't know, like, not use it. So I found a fire axe. What are you 3D printing?
A mask. Alright, can you show me where the, bow and arrow is?
In the bathroom.
Alright, I'm just gonna finish this.
You know what? Let me just get. No, where's the pistol? I literally have so little pistol. I have so little pistol ammo. What you mean? Need a mask?
Yeah.
I don't even know how those work.
Yeah, I'm...
Grappling hooks, tech mesh, sled, arrows, flask.
Alright, I see.
This cave was cool. Oh,
Yeah.
actually, you know what? Let me save one more time. Just so I have the bow. I mean, there should be another green dot somewhere, because this is not what I remember.
Yeah, there's a room. I remember there's another
There was
cave,
one
and
with the key
remember,
card.
and then remember how to had trouble getting up.
Yeah.
I know where the relative location is. I'm kind of glad we replayed it.
What, this? Oh, like
Yeah.
Yeah, because the last one was just not good.
Yeah, it didn't feel right. Alright, I'm gonna.
We didn't do
Oh,
very good.
another one. Oh,
I just shot
you
it in the
just
head.
shot
It
him.
was so quick. Oh, he's not dead. I'm out of ammo already.
Oh my god, there's a lot. I'm gonna equip my pistol.
All right, scooter time.
Wait, there's a
I'm out
scooter?
of here.
Oh, there's another one. Ow! Oh no, he actually never hurt me. I hate using this so much.
Just be careful, because there's a river right up here.
Alright, thanks Ivan for telling me.
All right, so
actually a
we were
pond.
just at that green dot.
Oh shit, they're following us, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Alright,
Kelvin made it. Kelvin made it
Kelvin
across the
made-
mountain. Bro, I keep falling in the pond. The big river.
okay. Kelvin! Let's go! He made it. Bro, he must have took so long. Are these cannibals right on me? If they are, I might as well
I
just
see
kill
another
them.
cave entrance. I think that's what we were looking at. It wasn't a green dot. It was a cave entrance, the one that we saw last time. Oh my god, I keep hitting the trees. Oh, can I please just use the shotgun? Like, that's all I want.
I think you don't have ammo. That's what I'm thinking.
I literally have 34 buckshot ammo.
I don't know.
And it's reloaded. Whatever, I'll just take the axe out. I like the axe, it's fine.
Maybe you have a glitch. I don't know. I don't.
Yeah, I'm hoping that just like next time I boot up the game, it'll work. Alright, just keep following me. Well, I think you're actually in front of me right now.
No, I'm literally right behind you.
Okay, really nice and slow through here. I'm stuck. I'm confused.
Bro, this is actually a fun game now.
I know, because and it's only for me. Number one.
No, because we found the shovel.
I know.
And we found all the stuff, so that's
God.
why.
I hit a tree.
Oh.
Alright.
Wait, I don't. Oh.
Go. Oh my god.
Wait.
That's so annoying. Okay, now I can go a little faster. Oh, it's Kelvin! He's drinking water.
Kelvin! Oh shit! I fell off the thing. No! Okay, I got it. Thank God. See you, Kelv.
Okay, so there is also a green dot by this cave entrance.
How did Kelvin make it? Like, last time he didn't. I don't know.
Where'd it go?
What am I stuck on? I'm stuck on a stupid, like, I don't know.
Like, these things are so much fun to use, but like, if you're in a club area...
You can't have them in your inventory, too.
Yeah, like, why can't I fit in my bag? I can fit 3 axes and a spear.
And a shotgun.
And a shotgun and a pistol in my bag. I can't fit a little scooter.
And bones.
Yeah, like, really? I can literally fit remains of fucking mutants, but I can't put a little scooter in my bag.
Wait, Ivan, can you wait for me for a sec?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Oh, we're right here, yeah. Let me just make it here and then...
What's up, actually?
Oh my god, bro.
Right. I'm hoping that this isn't too deep of a cave, because I... Oh, wait. There's a tarp here. Wait, have we been to this cave before?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure no. Oh, let's just go in. I don't think we've been to this cave before. Oh, okay. Now the minute you press L, it automatically puts on your night vision goggles.
Oh.
It doesn't do the flashlight anymore, or the lighter. Which, I mean, I guess...
Oh, I have my pistol out. That's weird.
I have a feeling that we've been to this cave. But I don't like the night vision goggles. I'm putting creepy armor on because there's mutants here, so...
Oh. I think we've been here before, Dylan. This cave looks really familiar. This looks like the cave we I don't remember.
Oh. It is. The hell? How's it over
Oh,
here?
I need food. Oh, wait,
I got
crunch
slugs.
balls.
Okay, I got slugs. Maybe that means I can shoot the shotgun. Is this where it was? I think so.
Wait, where do you see slugs?
They're over here, then.
Where?
Over here.
Oh.
Oh. Why does it only... I'm sorry, I need to move it. Why does it only take slugs? I thought I could shoot buckshot too. So now I can shoot the shotgun.
I was telling you, bro. I'm
not going to because I don't even have enough to like really shoot that much.
I'm using my pistol.
How does buckshot not work though? Like
Maybe
this.
it's a different gun.
It's a different gun. It's buckshot ammo 32 and the slug ammo. Alright, you know what? We'll explore this cave for a little bit, but I'm almost 100% sure we've been here before.
Ivan, how have we been here? This is our first time going
We have been
across.
here. Remember we had to blow this thing up with the time bomb?
I guess. Oh wait, hold up. Why do I remember this actually?
Yeah, we've been here before, I swear.
Wait. My eardrums for my character.
Wait 1 sec, I gotta dismember this and then just do the flashlight because I don't want.
The night vision goggles hurt.
It's
Yeah.
harder to see in them. I'd rather just be in the dark. Shit. I swear we've been here. But how would we have been here before if it's across the map?
Maybe mine is just.
You know, I'm leaving.
No, wait, we've been. Wait, what do you mean you're leaving?
Like, just leave this cave. There's no point.
Oh, wait, MRE. I need to get MRE.
I would take the golden armor off, by the way. Whatever, I'm just gonna speed through the cave then. Yeah, there's writing on the wall. We've been here before, Dylan. Let's get out of this cave.
How? I got hurt, bro. Oh, man.
That's so weird. It's the same exact cave. Maybe it was like a glitch in the game. Alright, now I know where the real green dot is. I'm gonna make my shotgun back into the later. You know what? I'm not even gonna put anything on because it's just annoying. It's like keep switching back and forth. I can just. Okay, that was weird. But let's just go to the green dot.
Alright. Oh wait, let me save. And never mind, it broke.
There's no point in saving anyway.
Yeah.
Come on, screw it. I bet you can do this.
Whoa. Where did you go? Oh. Oh wow, I went fast there.
Okay, we're here. I just gotta find it. Here it is. Here.
Your moped, I think, fell off.
It's fine.
Wait, don't. Wait,
I
don't.
went in. It's fine. I'm right here.
Alright.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I need to get out of the cave. I got stuck. Okay, let's try that again.
This one we definitely never been. Well, this one's really tight. Alright, you're in?
Huh.
I would walk, cause like it's.
Ooh.
Whoa, okay, this is. What? What? It's a 3D printer!
No,
Oh, wait.
It's not. Why are all the caves here the same? Like, what's happening? This has to be a glitch. This is the exact same thing as the 3D printer cave.
Let's go down here. Let's go down here and see if it's like the exact same.
Oh. It's not, I want to say, but I can't even. Oh, look, this is literally opened. Dude, what the hell?
We've been.
But there's no way that we could have been in here. This is literally on the complete other side of the map.
Wait, I don't remember everything being. Like, do you see all those bubbles? I don't remember that.
No, it was here in this room.
Uh.
Oh, dude, what is happening?
Alright, I need to look on the. Oh, yeah, I can't even look on the map.
Been in this spot
Yeah, we've
before.
been here.
There was a two-header in here last time.
Why am I stuck? Oh. I hate this game how you get stuck so easily.
Oh, there is still a two-header in here.
Can I? Oh.
Unless it comes up the stairs, then I'm gonna shoot it. Not going up the stairs. Oh, bro, what is happening? So let's just go down to where we were and see if the chainsaw is still there. So that was over here. Right there. Was it? No. We found a key card there. Let's see it. I found an email. After searching the entire facility, despite having much more important tasks we focused on, we managed to locate the golf clubs. Unfortunately, golf balls still elude us. There's a golf club. Okay, that's cool. So then where are they? They better be over here somewhere then. In the golf club.
Should we just get out of this cave?
Can't get back in there. No, but like I'm interested to see if it's changed.
I
don't think it did. It literally looks the exact same.
yeah.
Like how could that be? Like this is open. That's downloaded. Location already discovered. So this is literally the same exact cave. It just proves it. I'm just gonna grab with everything here because there's some ammo. Yeah, we should. Let's just leave this cave. I don't know what is happening with the game. You know what? We'll see you guys in part whatever. We'll see you guys in the next part. Bye bye.